Ever wondered why that plant you bought last summer didn't make it through the winter? The answer lies in your gardening zone. Welcome, everyone. I'm here to guide you through a simple, step-by-step process to discover your gardening zone in no time. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to choose the right plants for your climate. Understanding your gardening zone is crucial if you want to get the best out of your garden. These zones, defined by the USDA, help gardeners determine which plants are most likely to thrive in their geographical area. But how exactly can you find out your gardening zone? Keep watching to become a hardiness expert in under 4 minutes. One, what on earth is a hardiness zone? At its core, a plant hardiness zone is a geographical area where a specific category of plants is capable of growing, given its climatic conditions. In the U.S., these zones are defined by the average extreme minimum temperature. Think of it as a map that outlines where certain plants can survive winter's chill. 2. Why hardiness zones matter. Selecting plants suited to your zone ensures that they can survive the local temperature extremes. Ever faced the heartbreak of investing time and love into a plant, only to see it wither in the winter cold or summer heat? Knowing your zone helps you avoid such pitfalls. Plants can be labeled hardy if they can endure the cold in your zone, or tender if they're more suited to warmer conditions. 3. The USDA Hardiness Zone Map. The most popular and widely used map in the U.S. is the USDA Plant Hardiness Zone Map. Updated in 2012, it divides the country into 13 main zones, with each zone having a 10-degree F difference in the average minimum winter temperature from the one before it. It even gets specific, breaking down zones into A and B for a 5-degree F difference. 4. How to determine your zone. Now, the juicy bit. Finding your zone is a cinch. Here's how. Method 1. Visit the USDA's official site. Head on over to the USDA's website where they have an interactive map. Pop in your zip code, and voila, your hardiness zone will be displayed. Method 2. Mobile apps. There are numerous gardening apps available on both Android and iOS that provide your hardiness zone based on your location. Easy peasy. Method 3. Local nurseries. Another great resource is your local nursery or garden center. The experts there can help you identify your hardiness zone and recommend plants that thrive in that zone. 5. Picking the right plants. Now that you've got your zone in hand, it's shopping time. When you head to a nursery or browse online plant shops, look for tags or descriptions that mention the suitable hardiness zones. This ensures that the plant can withstand the temperature extremes of your region. Pro tip: local nurseries often stock plants that are native or well-suited to the local hardiness zone. It's a safe bet for newbie gardeners. 6. Beyond the zones. A quick note here. While hardiness zones are pivotal, remember that other factors also influence a plant's well-being: soil quality, water availability, and sunlight exposure, to name a few. So always consider the complete picture when selecting plants. With your newfound hardiness zone knowledge, you're on track to curate a garden that's not just beautiful, but resilient. Think of the zone map as your gardening GPS, guiding you towards plants that won't just survive, but thrive. Now that you're in the know, which plant have you got your eyes on for your zone? Drop your answers in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more gardening gold from Garden Club. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!